You guys want a pair of gloves there, and it's nice soft lambskin. Now, soft lambskin, granted, it's going to give you a nice comfort. It'll give you a little better grip when you're riding, so you'd want a pair of gloves that'll do that for you. Okay, put on. It's got a fleece lining on the inside, as you may be able to see here. Can you see, Mel? I don't know. I can't tell if you can see, but anyway, it's got a fleece lining there, nice, soft and comfortable. It's also got these fingertips, as you can see here, the index and the thumb, so you can actually operate your cell phone with your gloves on, which is nice to have. So these are the fingertips for that. And it's also got a little stitching on the palm and stitching on the back. It's a classic little extended cuff. The extended cuff allows the wind to go past the cuff of your jacket, and then you can actually, so the wind don't go inside it. So you want something good that you can keep riding with and keep your hands nice and warm in case it gets a little chilly out there. But it's a good extra protection for you when you ride. So you want to make sure you have it available. Great item for you. Nice, soft and comfortable. Lambskin is a nice, soft, a little spongier leather than your cowhides, but it's a lot more comfortable and a great item to have handy, especially if you drive a car. You want it for driving too, or winter. But then again, it's not winter. We're talking about summer. So keep your hands protected when you ride.
Come to Jammin' Leather. Ha 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 ha.